Manufacturing continues to evolve every day. At its forefront, quality and reliability remain essential. Since introducing the world's first flying probe tester in 1987, TAKAYA has been safeguarding electronic devices, supporting industries worldwide through trusted testing. Alongside TAKAYA's established product line, the new APT T400 series makes its debut. With proven precision and reliability, it delivers a new standard of test quality to more users. The whole product line includes large-scale models with expanded test areas and inline models designed for automated handling. By refining trusted technologies, we deliver innovation and confidence across the global manufacturing stage. Through testing, TAKAYA remains committed to shaping the future of manufacturing.